Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Finch app from your iPhone. Finch is a self-care mental wellness app that helps you track habits, reflect on your emotions and give a virtual pet. If you no longer want to use the app, need to free up storage or want to fix app issues, you can uninstall Finch app from your iPhone. This guide will show you exactly how to do it. And from the home screen you can simply find your Finch app, and once you find your app, what you can do is you need to press and hold the Finch app icon until a menu appears or the icon start wiggling. Over here select remove app. On the bottom there's a red font, select there, and again it will ask you to delete the app for the confirmation. Finally tap delete again when the confirmation message pops up, and this removes the Finch app completely from your iPhone. And that is it. Uninstalling the Finch app does not delete your Finch account. Your progress, reflection and pet data remain safe. If you reinstall the app later and log in with the same account, your data will be restored. And that is it. Removing the Finch app from your iPhone is simple and can be done directly from the home screen, and it is a safe way to free up space or troubleshoot issues without losing your account information. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.